Opay Business App. A lot of people have been searching for how to use the Opay Business App. But do you know what exactly the Opay Business App is used for? While I'm going to show you how to use the Opay Business App, it is essential for us to look into what exactly the Opay Business App is and what it is used for. In a minute, let's quickly look into what the Opay Business App is and what it is used for, which will entail the benefits and the features. So the Opay Business App is actually a financial service platform which is designed to help businesses manage payments, operations, and growth through a variety of features according to Opay. So it offers omni-channel payment collection method, employees and branch management, bills payment, just like in the other one, and other tools to enhance business efficiency and profitability. Now let's quickly look into the key features of the Opay Business App. Number one, omni-channel payment, which I mentioned earlier. So business can accept payment through various channels like bank transfers, USSD, bank cards, and QR code. These are on the main one as well. Now another thing we need to know about this app is employee and store management. This is not on the main one. So the app allows businesses to manage branches, employees, and their activities in just a single place. So another one is bill payment. Bill payment. Business can make bill payments for various services just like airtime, data, and utilities. So we also have another one here which is business intelligence and insights. So the app provide reports and dashboard to help businesses understand their financial performance and growth. This is not on the main one. You can't see this on the main one. Another thing is unique account transfers. Businesses can receive funds through a unique Opay account linked to their business. Another one is Opay POS management, which is not on the main one. So the app facilitates the application for and management of Opay POS devices. Another thing is cashless payment solution. The app promotes cashless transactions, which can be beneficial in the face of cashless policies. So we still have another one, instant transaction settlement, which is funds are received into the business Opay wallet instantly, enabling real-time transfer. Second to the last is trusted and reliable. Opay is a licensed mobile money platform offering a secure and reliable payment solution. And lastly, low fees and hassle-free operations. Opay provide affordable services and streamline business processes. So these are all the features and benefits of using the Opay Business App. Now, let's quickly look into how to start using the Opay Business App. While we are going to look into that right now, ensure that you subscribe to this YouTube channel and turn on the notification so that my next video you will not miss it. So let's get started. First thing we have to do is to go to the Google Play Store or the Apple App Store depending on the kind of phone you're using. So just tap on Opay Business, search for Opay Business rather. Opay Business App, as you can see here. So you can see I have it on my phone already. So I just have to update it if I want to. So I don't need to update it on your own. It will show install. Just tap on it and it will install. So after that, tap on it and it will take you to your phone home screen. So Opay Business. This is it. You can see the two apps together. So I want to log in. So I have to provide my PIN. So after providing my pins, it requires a face verification because it's been a while that I've logged into it. So I'm just going to go on a face verification. So the face verification is successful. Then I am logged into my Opay Business App. So if you look closely from here, you will see that it is actually different from the main Opay app. On the main Opay app, POS is not there, store is not there, user is not there, even CAC registration is not there, reports is not there. So, but other services that you can find there are airtime, data, betting, TV, electricity, airtime, e-pin, join Opay. So I have to upgrade this account to enjoy everything. Just have to tap on go. Then I have to provide my details, tier 1, tier 2, tier 3. Look at the requirements, BVN or NIN, face verification. These are the requirements as you can see here. The second requirement that will enable you to enjoy the full features on the app. So, and last but not the least is merchants, and this is more beneficial than every other ones on the platform. So to start using it, if you are a POS agent or if you don't have a POS before, you can just request for POS directly from your account here. Just tap on this and scroll down, then tap on apply for Opay POS. So you can see the price. So as much as you have money on it, just tap on buy, depending on the one you want. Look at the first one, Android POS with touch screen and printer. Look at the traditional one, and that one is 30,000 naira. And look at the traditional one, 20,000 naira, and it is analog POS with keyboard and strong battery. So to buy it, just tap on buy. So the battery is this alternative battery. You can decide to buy it. Look at it, it's just 3,000. And another one. Look at them. So if you need their POS, you can just request from it directly from here, and it will be well built to you, or you get it directly through an agent. So won't make up the price difference. Look at everything here. To start using it, and you want to, let's say you want to receive money from someone, this is my main account number. So yours will also be generated for you. Just have to copy it, and or you just have to give it to someone that wants to make a transfer to you. And when you receive money, all the reports of your transaction will be seen here. Everything will be reported in this place. So you can also register CAC for businesses if you like. Just have to do it from here. CAC register. So you have to ask for their details, provide the details and every other thing, and they make payment. You can charge any amount you want. So depending on you. We have another thing here, store. But yeah, you need to upgrade. Yes, you need to upgrade. Let's just tap on this, the plus sign. You can see upgrade, insufficient permission. So I need to upgrade. So bro, I'm not going to be doing that now. So to buy airtime, to do many things on Opay, airtime e-pin, you can get it here. To buy airtime e-pin, you can see. So let's say I want to buy 100 naira. No, I don't have enough money on this Opay account, so I'm not going to be doing anything else. So to use it, you just have to follow all the instructions on this. Just have to follow the steps and instruction here to check your reports, your daily reports. You can find it here, and every other things you want to do on it. I believe this video has helped you. Let me know in the comment section, like the video and share to others. See you in my next video.